Hey friends, if you encounter this error Bcm20702a0 driver is unavailable, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select troubleshoot and then select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. The next solution is to update Bluetooth drivers. And how would you do that? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers and then right click and update the MediaTek Bluetooth one. But if you're not able to find it, then click on the Bluetooth option here. Click on action and scan for hardware changes. Okay, so if this doesn't help, then you'll have to take it to a hardware technician. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.